I'm doing the alignment right now. So you want to go 275 no problem.
Coast to coast, back at it again, baby. 6s, big cap, 9-inch lip in the back. Beautiful truck. Coilovers, ladder bars. Man, I went to town on this one. There you go. Just a little sneak peek. C-notched. Beautiful truck, man. Really clean, really nice. Looking good. Coast to coast, we always doing something a little funky out here, guys. Never the same thing, always different. 4Gel steering wheel on there. OG. Whew. Nasty stance.